Just one quick flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise where you can laze around and recharge your batteries. But a holiday isn't all cocktails on the beach. Spend a tranquil afternoon on the waters with a pedalo, or take a ride on a high-speed banana boat that'll satisfy any adrenaline junkie's cravings. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. Has this beach captured your imagination? Then it's time to get packing.